Let's be honest, we have all spent more time copy pasting the code from a chat window into our IDE than we would like to admit. It's 2026, and why are we still acting like digital couriers? Enter Mistral Vibe. It's not just another LLM. It's interactive, agentic environment designed to live where your code lives. Think of it like a coding partner that doesn't just suggest code, but actually understands the vibe of your project, manages the files, and executes the commands. Whether you're prototyping a microservice or building the world's billionth of calculator, Vibe bridges the gap between thinking and doing. Hi, I am Ashish Agarwal and welcome back to Coders Academy. Mistral Vibe comes with a SOTA performance, so it's powered by devstral 2 model family, which is specifically fine-tuned for tool calling and long context reasoning. And not just that, you can create specialized sub-agents for specific tasks like PR reviews, documentation generation, or writing unit tests. In this video, we will take an end-to-end view of the Mistral Vibe product. We will start with account opening, setup, and getting a Mistral API key. Then we will create a simple calculator program with basic operations. And then we will demonstrate the usage of editing an existing code with the help of a percentage functionality. And finally, we will showcase some more additional command support that is available in Mistral Vibe. So let's not waste any time and get into the demos. First things first, let's head to the Mistral.ai website and create an account with your email ID. Enter the details, choose your password and sign up. Email verified and continue. So in the admin console, now you will be asked to create a team, pick a meaningful name, accept the terms, and create organization. So in the admin console, now go to the API key section. We don't have any API key created here, so we need to first choose a plan. So we'll choose the experiment plan. Okay, subscribe, accept the terms, and subscribe. Enter the phone number and send the verification code, verified, subscription successful. Now we come back to the admin UI and go to the API key section again, create the new key, pick a meaningful name for the key, I'll say Mistral key, and create new key. Now keep it safe and it will be used in the next section. Once you have the API key, you go to a PowerShell and check the Python version. We need to have a Python version 3.12 and then install Mistral Vibe using the command given here. This has installed the Vibe ACP and Vibe.exe. Now you need to set the variable with the key that you have created in the earlier step. Now we'll go to the projects folder, create a folder called Demo Mistral Vibe, cd into it, and then say Vibe. If you see a screen like this, means it is successfully installed. So our first prompt is create a Python calculator with a simple CLI supporting addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Save it to a file called calculator.py, include the input validation and handle division by 0 gracefully. We'll hit enter. So it started generating the file. So okay, write the file. This is the file it will be creating with the functions and the options 1, 2, 3. I will hit 1 because it seems okay to me. So select 1. It's writing the file. It has created the file called calculator.py. Now let's try to test the code that it has created. So I'm creating a duplicate tab. I'll go to the respective folder where my file is created and say Python calculator.py. Now it's asking for the first number, so 3, 5, and the operation we want, plus 8. Okay, let's try another example. This time the first number is 4, the second number 2, and the operation is minus, answer is 2. So it works fine. Now in the next prompt, we will ask some modification in the existing code. We'll ask to add a percentage operation to the calculator py. It should calculate x percentage of y and follow the same instruction as the existing code. So it's reading the file, editing the file, asking for a confirmation. So we'll say yes. It's editing the files. So it's changing the print statement, yes. And the task is completed. Okay, so we'll try this out. So we go back to our Windows PowerShell and enter the first number 40, the second number 200. It has not given us the percentage here, but I'll just still try it again. So percentage, so 80, yes. So 40% of 200 is 80. So it's working, but it has not made the changes to the statement here. But it is working fine. Now we'll take a look at the code that it has created. So I'll open the code in VS Code and open the calculator.py. So here you can see all the definition of functions, add, subtract, multiply, divide. Pretty simple and easy to understand. The definition of percentage, a utility function called get number, and a main method with the appropriate instructions for the user. Okay, and then checking for the if condition ladder over there. So it's very simple and easy to understand function that it has created for us. In this section, we will take a look at some of the additional commands here. So I'm just type help here. So it is in very much in the context of the existing code. So it's giving us all the help that is available for the calculator.py program project. So bash, read file, write. You can pause the video and read it in detail. So 5% of the overall 200k tokens have been consumed so far. So now let's try to use /help. So this gives us the help of all the Mistral Vibe available to us. So let's try a few of the help commands. So there are keyboard shortcuts here, special characters and features, and special commands for Vibe tool as such. Okay, so we'll try the /status. So this gives us the agent statistics, the number of steps, the number of tokens, session completion tokens, and the cost. Next we'll see /model. So the model that we are using is devstral 2, auto copy is on and autocomplete watcher is off. Escape is used for escaping from the prompt, and now we will use /clear, which will clear the conversation history, and we are back to the original home screen. Now we can also say /exit. And there you have it, a simple calculator program developed entirely using Mistral Vibe in a natural language. Mistral Vibe simply turns the friction of development into a flow of ease. If you haven't tried it, give it a try by visiting the mistral.ai website. If you have liked the content that I've been making on Coders Academy, consider subscribing to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. And do let me know in the comments what application you developed using Mistral Vibe. Until then, thank you so much for watching.